Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Wang. Here is the question. If a is less than 0, ab is less than 0, what is the value of 1 over absolute value of a minus b minus square root of 2, then minus absolute value of b minus a plus square root of 3? How to get rid of the absolute value sign? It depends on the sign of the inside part of the absolute value sign. From the given condition, a less than 0, a times b less than 0, then we have b must be bigger than 0, and a minus b less than 0, because a is negative, b is positive, negative b is negative, negative plus negative is negative, less than 0. A minus b is negative. Negative 3 square root of 2 is negative. The left-hand side is negative. Therefore, a minus b minus 3 times square root of 2 is less than 0. This part is less than 0. A minus b less than 0. Therefore, b minus a is positive. Square root of 3 is positive. Therefore, the left-hand side is positive. This part is positive. Now we are ready to calculate the final answer. Because the inside part is active. When we drop the absolute value sign, we have to put a negative sign in front. The inside part of the second absolute value sign is positive. When we drop the absolute value sign, we don't need to do anything. Continue to simplify the denominator. The denominator equals negative a plus b plus 3 square root of 2 minus b plus a minus square root of 3. Minus a plus a cancelled. Plus b minus b cancelled. Then we have 3 square root of 2 minus square root of 3. We need to get rid of square roots in the denominator. Both numerator and the denominator times the conjugate of this denominator, which is 3 square root of 2 plus square root of 3. The denominator is a minus b times a plus b. We use the difference formula of squares. The first term square minus the second term square, which is 18 minus 3. 18 minus 3 equals 15. The final answer is 3 square root of 2 plus square root of 3 over 15. That's all. Thanks for watching and see you next time.